Let's see how to set up Siri on your MacBook Neo. The first and most thing is turn on the internet connection and head to Apple and system settings and just click Apple Intelligence and Siri. So it's no more a separate thing. Siri and Apple Intelligence are interconnected. So if you want to turn on the Siri, we indirectly turn on the Apple Intelligence. In case if you want to turn on the Apple Intelligence, we indirectly turn on the Apple Siri. So we just click this Siri, enable and share audio recordings. And if you want to click this listen for and select Siri or A Siri or A Siri. I go with that first one, and then only if we say Siri, it will wakes up, and if we say A Siri, it also works. You just select and Setup Siri, continue and say this word. You just say A Siri, how is the weather? A Siri, how is the weather? Okay, it's done. A Siri, send a message. Okay. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. Okay, Siri is ready to listen your voice. Click done and make sure this option were turned on. Allow Siri when locked, and here you can choose the languages. And if you want to select your Siri voice, you need to click the voice select, and here you can go with those things. So it's accent and it's different voices. On American accent, we have 5 different voices.
The colors of the sky, the colors of the sky,
The colors of the sky.
the colors of the sky fade with the setting sun.
Male and female voices are also available. I go with the South
The colors
African
of the sky fade with the
voice too.
setting sun as the stars begin
And
to
click
shine
done.
through the clear night.
And Siri responses, just expand this and select the preferences if you want the spoken responses or silent, something like that. So I just prefer spoken responses. You can also choose automatic if you wish, and it's done. You are done. Let's check it out. Hey Siri. Yeah, it's working. And before that, you haven't seen the Siri icon here. Now it shows. To activate Siri, you can also if click that and it will activate. Or we can usually call Siri like A Siri. So that's it. This is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about MacBook, you need to watch this playlist.